Guys, um, I want to quickly explain something to us about this Hamstar stuff. I just got the information about a research now that it's not really about the number of coins that you have, but about the profit per hour. So I would not want us to really, stay on just the number of coins that we have here, even though it's just 33 million coin. You have to actually make use of those coins to purchase much more cards and all these fan tokens to increase your profit per hour. Do you get what I'm saying? So let's do that now. We don't need to actually keep it with what I'm saying. So just go and purchase, check it, the profit per hour, what is going to actually pay you and how profitable it's going to be. That is actually what you need. And yes, there's also a time to that. I saw it on Telegram when they told us that we should be aware that it is a game of, is a, how should I say it?